A customary court sitting in Jalingo, presided by Judge Lamummba Barnabas, has dethroned the acting Mbonduah of Kabri Chiefdom, Hamajulde Auwal Zubairu. The judge in his ruling said that the evidence before him proved that the acting Mbonduah is not heir to the throne. He urged him to step aside, noting that the custom and traditions of people should determine who occupies the throne. Correspondent Owolabi Adenusi filed in this report, and after this report, David Alabi will bring you business updates.
The prolonged tussle over the rightful heir to the stool of Mbonduah in Kabri Chiefdom may have finally been settled with a court ruling. The demise of Julde Wakili led to the nomination of Hamajulde Auwal Zubairu to Governor Darius ISHAKU on acting capacity by some kingmakers, but it was challenged by some aggrieved kingmakers. At a recent ceremony upgrading third-class chiefdoms in Jalingo, Governor Darius ISHAKU spoke on the ongoing court case against the acting Mbonduah.
For the purpose of today's occasions, we are supposed to give 2 third-class chiefs. Unfortunately, we are only given 1 third-class chief, His Royal Highlands Malus Joel Yerima Jatau, the Ata-Epang Chiefdom of third class. Unfortunately, due to administrative lapses, we are not able to today give His Royal Highness Awalu Hamajulde the third class.
The Area II Customary Court in Jalingo, presided over by Judge Lamummba Barnabas in his ruling, dethroned the acting monarch on account of illegitimacy. Reacting to the judgment, counsel to the dethroned monarch says the court judgment will be challenged at an upper court, while the counsel to the complainant commended the judge for the ruling.
We have taken it the way it is, but this is still the first stage of the battle. We will go upstairs and see at the High Court. We will appeal.
Just 2 years. So the judiciary of Taraba, I think they are living up to expectation. As you heard in the judgment, there was a purported Kabri Chiefdom constitution order which creates a rotational system for the chieftaincy of Kabri. But going through that document was not signed by the governor of Taraba State. And that is why the court declared that that document is a trash. That document commands no legal value.
Some community leaders shared their view with TVC News on who should be the rightful heir to the throne.
There is no any ruling house in Kabri apart from Julde Wakili Garba ruling house. We don't have any ruling house.
The ruling may not be the end of the tussle, as the embattled monarch has announced his intention to challenge the court verdict.